Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about just appreciation of what you have. And I have a really funny story for you, okay? But real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. And share the video with your friends if you think that it will give them some form of help in any way, or probably put a smile on their face or something. So today I was just thinking, right? My mom is a stage 3 lung cancer survivor, and she went to the hospital. I'm unsure of what is going on right now because military and stuff, planning, and anyway. But I was talking to my aunt today, and she said, there was this man, right? He had no arms, right? And he was just jumping around. And there was this other man that was on his way, to commit suicide because, life was so hard. He was in debt. And, the whole barrage of stuff that goes on that makes you get to that dark spot, right? And while he was sitting, the suicidal man was sitting on a chair, and he saw this man in a distance without hands. It looks as though the man without hands was having like a party, or he was just excited about something, right? So, he said, probably life is not that bad, and I should probably work on my problems, because here's this guy without any arms, no hands at all, but yes, he's jumping around having a grand time. But he said he would like to know why this man without hands is so happy. So he went over and asked the man, sir, why are you so happy? And the man without hands turn around to him and say, I'm not happy. What happened is that my butt is itchy and I can't scratch it because I don't have any arms. I don't have anything to scratch it. And I giggle at that story. I don't know, the truth to it, if there's such a story, if that was something that actually happened. I didn't, question my aunt to that extremity. I just found the story itself, one, very funny, but also, it inspire. And, it's just a marker to say, your life may be bad right now, but there's somebody that's worse than you out there, and that person is handling their situation. So don't be discouraged, right? Don't get to a dark spot or say nothing is going my way and be all negative, because when you put stuff like that out in the universe, it's going to come for you. So don't put stuff in the universe that you don't want on yourself. Just be appreciative of what you got right now, and work and see how you can improve your situation. There is always a way out, guys. There's always a way out. Always. Right? So it's just for you to find that way out. Believe me, I was at your spot once. Wherever you are right now, mentally, I was there. Right? And even if I wasn't there, there's somebody out there that was there, or probably still is there. You know what I mean? But they're handling the situation and they're going through whatever they're dealing with, right? So we just have to be appreciative of what we got. I remember when my mom was going through chemotherapy, and I couldn't cry because I refused to believe that there's an alternative apart from her just surviving this, right? and the doctors, gave her mortality rate and the whole 9 yards, I never listened to it because I said to myself, she'll be fine. There's no alternative to this. She got to get out and she got to be okay. Right? So I refuse to cry, because crying for me means that I'm accepting something that I shouldn't. Right? So, guys, just be appreciative of what you got. If you're not where you're at right now, if you're not where you want to be right now, if you keep on going, you will get where you want to be and beyond. You might just surprise yourself as to where you get. But you have to keep on going. Don't stop. The negative energy may come. Accept it, but do not let it identify who you are. You can accept it. It's okay. Accept it. Okay, fine. Today's not a great day. Yada, yada, yada. But do not let it define who you are as an individual. Things will get better. I understand you're coming on YouTube here for answers and the whole 9 yards. And believe me, if you're watching my video right now, watch my previous videos. You will see there's an alternative here. There's a way to help you here. Hit my link down below. Try it out. I'm telling you, you're watching my video right now. There's a reason you're watching my video right now. There's a reason for this. The universe aligned us for a reason. Do not ignore the universe right now. That's all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Facebook. Let's chat over there. My link is below in the description. Check out that link for affiliate marketing that I have in the description down below also. Try it out. Try it out. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. I also provide my Instagram link in the description. I do Instagram also, guys. If you have any question on Instagram, please feel free to shoot me a message or something. I'm here to help. I am here to help in whatever way I can. If you like this video, leave a comment and tell me what you're going through right now. If you're going through a little, just a little stump in the road or a little roadblock, leave me a comment down below and tell me what it is. And let's see how we can help you out of that issue. Let's see how we can work on that. Do not rely on the problem. Focus more on the solution. You're wasting time paying attention to the problem. The problem is there. Let's find that solution to make this work, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment. Give a thumbs up if this video speaks to you or you like what you just heard. I love my comments and I love my likes. I love them all. I love them all. It means to me that my video is reaching at least one person, and that's all I aim to do. I want to reach at least one person, and if I reach at least one person, I'm changing somebody's life, and nothing gives me more pleasure or just happiness and or comfort to bring some form of just answer to whatever issue that you may have going on. Thanks for hopping on, guys, and remember, subscribe, share the vid, turn on notification bell, leave a comment, give a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow.